everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Apoorva, I'm your dietitian. Today we are going to discuss about the other two recipes with Ragi. So guys, whoever haven't watched recipes with Ragi Part 1, the link is in the description box below. Please click on the link and watch. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the recipes of Ragi Roti and Ragi Ball, which is also referred as Mudde in Karnataka and Sankati in Rayalaseema. Now we are going to prepare Ragi Roti. For this, we require half a cup of Ragi flour, half a cup of desiccated coconut, some amount of jeera and green chili according to your spice flavor. We can add little amount of salt too. So now let's understand the procedure of Ragi Roti. Let's chop the green chili into small pieces. Now take a bowl, add half a cup of Ragi flour into it. Add half a cup of desiccated coconut. Add some green chili. Add some jeera. And adding curry leaves is an optional. You can even add some curry leaves to the mixture. Add little salt according to the taste. Mix it properly. Add water into it and form it as a dough. Now you can see that the dough is formed. The dough should not be very soft nor very hard. It should be in a medium consistency like this. When you can see this, you can see it is normal soft. Now as you can see, the dough is ready. Now let's leave this dough for 5 minutes and then let's flatten it and make the roti. First take the dosha tawa, apply little ghee or oil on it, just flatten it, apply it all over the tawa. Take the dough and by tapping on it, just flatten the dough as you can see here. Roll it, not too thin, not too thick. Make sure it is evenly flattened. Now take the tawa onto this stove. Now add the ghee in the center as well as around the dough and cook both the sides evenly and your Ragi Roti will be ready. Now you can see that the roti is fried completely on both the sides. Now it is ready to serve. You can either have it with a coconut chutney or you can have it with the yogurt also. If you want, you can even add some greens to it like palak, or you can even add some methi, making either into a paste or you can add it as a whole and make the roti. Tasty, healthy and delicious Ragi Roti is ready. You can have it with coconut chutney or you can have it with the curd. So try it and enjoy it. Now we are going to prepare Ragi Balls. This is one of the famous dish in Rayalaseema as well as in Karnataka region. In Rayalaseema region, they prepare it with by adding rice. But now I am preparing a Karnataka style of Ragi balls, which is also called as Ragi Sankati, Ragi Mudde or Kali. Now for this we require ingredients like half a cup of ragi flour, 100 ml of water and salt to taste. First add the 100 ml of water in a cooking pan. Add required salt to taste. Once the water becomes lukewarm, add ragi flour slowly into it, as you can see here. Keep on mixing without any lumps formation. Now, as you can see here, a ball kind of thing is formed, which is referred to as ragi ball. Here, this is formed slowly by mixing in the water gradually. And optionally, you can add ghee for taste. You can have this Ragi Mudde or Ragi Kali or Sankati with rasam, sambar or any kind of liquid dal. So your Ragi Mudde is ready. Have it with this delicious dal or sambar or rasam. Enjoy it. So guys, please try these recipes at home. Give it to your kids. You also eat it and try to stay healthy and fit. As ragi is one of the very important food which you have to include it in your daily diet. So I hope you are going to try it and you will really enjoy it. So if you're liking my videos, like it, share it with your loved ones and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. So this is Apoorva signing off for the day. Let's meet next Wednesday. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit.